This is exactly how this store is making $30 million per month, and you can also model this. Hey Avengers, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how one of the top Shopify store that's making $30 million per month, and we are going to analyze their store and try to model their store so that we can get this kind of results. If you also want me to model or analyze your store, so make sure you give your store link on the comment sections right now. So without wasting any time, make sure you watch this video till the end without skipping a single part of this video. Let's dive into this video right now. So here today in this video we are going to review one of the top Shopify store, that's Fashion Nova, that's getting 38 million visitors per month, and it's making monthly revenue of around $30 million per month. It's actually huge. Here you can see $30 million is showing. It may be a little bit more, a little bit less, but in approximately it is making $30 million. Let me quickly grab my calculator and we'll show how much this store is making per day. So for this, here you can see it is making making monthly revenue of $30 million per month. So we'll be writing, it's not actually 30 million, it's more than 30 million. So we'll be doing this one, dividing this one by 30 so that we can get how much they are making per day. Here we can see it's around $10 million. It's actually a seven figure store. Here you can see it is making $10 million per month. Really, $10 million, guys. So here you can see for this one, finding out this thing, I am using Shop Inspect. Currently I am using Shop Inspect for finding out my winning product. I have made a detailed video of how you can find your winning product for free. If you haven't seen that video, then right now you click on the suggested section that is coming on the top of the video and just have a look on this video first. You don't need to buy this one or dive into Shop Inspect right now, but nowadays I am using Shop Inspect. It's a great tool. For the Shop Inspect has giving me top winning products that's currently selling right now with the personalized video ads for me to use. So in the free methods and that I have shown earlier, you need time for this one. So I'm getting some sales, right? I've got some sales, so I have some money to invest in this Shop Inspect software right now. You can also, even after you got some sales from the free method, you can start using this one right now, but not required you to start jumping it on the first. I'll suggest you first you go through the free method, then you go for this Shop Inspect if you have after getting sales. So in this we'll be going for Fashion Nova. So here we can see we are in Fashion Nova dashboard, Fashion Nova website right now. So let's see what's their store is all about, how they are modeling their store, what's their store layouts all about, so that we can get some of the ideas and how can we can model our stores like this. Some of their we can use of their website, so that we can get some of these results right now. Here we can see one of the first thing that I am getting is it is only using two colors only for this website. It's in black and in white. You can see this one, guys. So always I am saying that keep it very simple, no need of making any color rainbows here. You need to get sales, that's the meaning of this. Here you can see on the top of the sections on their home page, we are in the home page right now. They have some of the custom logos, custom banners here, and nothing extra. They have just modeled their stores. They have taken some of the models, and with the products they have taken some pictures. And in the down section here you can see there are lots of products only. They have started right after the top of the home section here. Here you can see there are very simple. They have so they joined with some of the Instagram followers they have worked with, and they have given their photos here. But you can see how minimalistic it is. It's only in black and white, that's it. You should not use any other color more than two colors, I'll suggest. Here you can see they have some of the custom their address also have there's some pictures of their cards they're accepting. Okay, we are going to all these links afterwards. So let us start from the first sections. That's we are in women's sections right now. Here we can see the sales countdown timer they have used. The free shipping, you can write it for yourself. that we can also write right now. So here we can see they have for this Christmas, the Christmas are coming up right now, so for this they have given some of the offers here for in their store. So buy more, and this is called bundle approach, guys. Here they have given us upsells. If you buy more you'll get less, but once it is increasing their average order value, guys. So when we can see we are in a women's sections right now, here we can see they have used some of the Instagram models photos. That's it. With some of their products, they have modeled up with some of the models of that they have worked with from the Instagram or something like this. And in that other sections you can see there are different kind of models that have they have taken. So what we can use is we can use Shopify free photos. I'm not saying you should from the first you should start with taking some model pictures. Right now we can get the pictures from the Shopify free photos. We can get all the photos from now. But once we have got some of the sales, this is called branding, guys. Once you have got some of the sales, you can start taking start working with the models, and with your product you can use the models and take pictures and try to store in their website and try to sell. Here you can see for they are using lingering also. So this is a general niche store, guys. This is not a general store, it's a general niche store. It's for clothing brand only, and different kind of clothings they are using. You can see new arrivals, jumpstart, jeans, lingerings, and now we can see for bottoms, sweaters, jackets, only minimalistic jazz. You can, again I'm saying they are using only 2 colors. You should not use more than 2 colors, guys, because we are not here for making some rainbows and all. We are going for sales for our product. So here you can see they have modeled some of the products. With their products they have used some of the models to wear this one. Here in the active sections they have different outdoor photos they have taken with their products. In that, and they have make the model to wear their products. Here they have different kind of sections are here. There is accessories, active, swimsuits also there. They have gone outdoor shoots. They have modeled up. Actually this store is very big right now, so they can afford for going for this one, for taking some models and take a photo shoot. So you can see once you have got some of the sales, starts making sales, good amount of sales, then you can do this one, follow up this one up right now. Here you can see in the Christmas sale, now it is coming Christmas sale, and people are going for buying these products online. So they have given some of the holiday shops and some discounts here. See all sale, and there is $10 and $15 under $15 some products. Next they have gone for curve sections. Here you can see new arrivals first. They have worked with some different kind of people also. Not all the people will be of slim and trim. They have worked upon the plus size models also. They've taken some of the plus size models, and with their products they have gone through the plus size. I have opened some of the product link, I think. Okay, here you can see product details are there. Okay, we are going for again for Ignite a window. Let's see, I have gone some other different site right now. Okay, so we are in the product section right now. Here you can see some of the so we were in the curve section first. Let me click on the curve sections. So here you can see we are on the new arrival sections right now. So it's taking some time, and this internet is a little bit slow. Okay, here you can see it's opened up. So new arrival have come up. Here you can see, yeah, it has been loaded up. So you can see they have worked with not only slim trim models, they have worked with plus size models, because not all the peoples are having slim trim, guys. They are of some of the people, actually most of the people are plus size. They are not maintaining. Some of the guys are maintaining. They are covering all kind of people, so that people can purchase from their store, and they are getting tons of sales and making this kind. You've got how much sales they are making, how much money they are making per month. There is $30 million they are making per month on an average. Here you can see they have come up with different kind of niches they have gone through, like matching sets they have written. Here we can also do this one in our store, and what we can do is you can take the pictures from the Shopify free pictures that's available and make a nice looking store. Here you can see one more thing I'm to share with you guys. It is with the models wearing the pictures, it is increasing their social proof also, that people are already using their products, something like that. So once you have gone some of the sales, you can start making this kind of websites on, and you can start taking some of the models and take some of the photo shoots, and within the photos you can use, and it will increase the social proof, guys, for the people. So that means that people are using and loving your product, so that people are purchasing from you and wearing this one. It's increasing social proof, and it will definitely increase your sales. Here you can see for holiday sales also, they have model with some guys also, they have model with and taken their product, their clothes, brand clothes, and they have made a video on a picture on this. Here you can see this is all the same sales. They have discount coupons also. They have covered for their products for men's also. They have not stopped for only for one persons. If you are in the beauty and health, not health, if you are in the beauty niche, you should cover up all kind of niches that you can go through. Like they have gone to women's curves and men's. So you can see for men's, they have modeled with some of the models and made their product to wear them and take some photo shoots. Only here for men's also they have used some of the products. So you can see they have accessories also, some plus size models also they have worked with. Shop also men's. Not all you should start by hiring some models right now, not required. You can do one thing, you can just go for the Shopify free products, and you can just link this one in your store. Here again the same thing. Here you can see they have got some of the discount coupons here for the $10 discount coupons, something here. You can see all the new arrivals are here, holiday sales are there. So let's see some of the other sections, that is they have their shopping bar is here. That's love icon is not available in our store, but we can use, this is their account section, so the people can log into their account for while they are purchasing, and the shopping cart back. So here you can see there is logo they have used, that is fashion number for men they have used. Okay, once we are scrolling down, here you can see in the product section they have only very simple descriptions they have given. They can also get some idea from that. Here you can see the buy now button, and there is countdown timer that is working up here, and exactly down below they have used the people that will more likely who are interested in that product that we have opened up. They will be most likely to use this product also, so that your average order value will go up, and people will try to buy more of their product from you on a single, when they are one of the person is coming to your store. Here when you're scrolling down, here we can see reviews are the most crucial part. Here they have used some of the reviews. Here you can use looks for the reviews and try to get the good reviews in your store first, and once they try to get the good reviews on your store right now, because you need sales, that's it. You don't, and try to find the product that's actually good and people are liking for purchasing this one. So next we are going for about sections, different pages, contact us page. That's very crucial, that is giving a brand its name. So once we are in about sections, we can see here they have used about section. They have talked about their brand, who they are, what they do, what they believe in. Here you can see this is all just copy paste things, guys, that I'll give you on my upcoming later videos on my store. And one more thing, you should give your business email in your about us sections, not your something like gmail.com, not Gmail. You need to give something like, suppose your store's name is ABC, so you should give it support@abc.com something, but not at gmail.com or something. It's not giving people the right, there's a business feeling email, so you should give that kind of email only. Here you can see they have used some of the forms, that is name of their product. This like actually they're giving their brand their name. So next you can see fashion something, fashion Nova cares, that what actually they do, why people loves them, and what you can see Fashion Nova is the fastest growing community in the world. we support charities and empowers on what actually do, and there is some taglines that they have used. There's empowerment, something power, something is there. So next is very important is privacy policy. It should be definitely having in your website right now. It will help you, it will increase your customer trust for purchasing from you. When the privacy policy, the terms of service, all of these things are just copy paste thing that you should use. But this copy paste thing also you should change your name at least, understand? So you should change your name out at least from this. Here you can see promotional terms, and they have used some of the top collections here, and what if the product is not been lost, what are the services they are providing. You can track your orders here. This very crucial. Shipping times they have used, easy returns if it is refund and returns. Most of the purchases that goes through doesn't get returns, but in 1000 one product may get returns. So but you should be delivering these kind of things in your websites, and it will increase the customer's trust. The shipping times they have mentioned here, within how many days per product will be getting shipped. Here you can see they can track their orders. They have given some of the questions, FAQ questions. That's very essential. You can see, was my order cancelled? How do I change or cancel my order? Something. Next is easy returns, that most of the people will buy after seeing their return if they are not getting scammed. So they should mention within how many days the product will get shipped to your store, to them. Within how many days the product will get shipped to them. Within, if they are not getting the product, will they be getting their money back, something. So this one, trust you should give the customers the trust they want, so only they'll purchase from you. Next is, if they have any kind of queries, they can ask you, so you should give a contact us form that. And the last, they have used some of the gift cards that they can use for purchasing as a brand. So you can use, and it will increase their customer trust, and people will try to purchase from you. So if you want to see how I make money online, then make sure to check these 2 cool videos out right now.